Ki nonghikai skul SSA ki bapo kshatri jungka Mekhlaya SSA School Association. Klaipor ka sarkar haduh kalaipo tarik mtau nailur. Ban pynurlong no ahlor kimat jingdawa. Belada kamla ban pynurlong nak liang ki nonghikai skul. Kilashim mekarai bakin pelongpat ikai weipat ka jingaki. Kata da ka sangeh treikam arsni. Nak liang ki nonghikai hakasngi baar. Kila penlong ka jingaki isyong kelany mongor. Hamadan malki. Halor ka jingbom sengap ka sarkar ban pynurlong iki mat jingdawa kebagan thup ban penkiu ik tulop jong ki khat arajar sanspa asa huengut ki nonghikai school SSA ban pentrika meka pay structure ban thung shu ki nonghikai bat ban siuno ek tulop banasa lai benai jong muta usnam arajar arpuwe.
Today is the first agitation we organize from the Meghalaya SSA School Association on behalf of all the 12,541 SSA teachers. And I want to inform the state government, the MDA government, today that we have taken a decision that we will wait till 30th of September for the government to fulfill our 3 demands. And if the government fail on October, we will organize second phase of agitation, that is mass casual leave of all the 12,541 SSA teachers. We will do in the second phase a 2 days mass casual leave of all the 12,541 SSA teachers. If the government fail to fulfill our 3 demands on or before 30th September 2021, then on October 2021 we will organize a second phase of agitation, that is 2 days mass casual leave of all the 12,541 SSA teachers. Thank you.